Email and Tasks is an app that helps you turn emails into Jira tasks in just a few clicks. It's perfect for teams who manage tasks through Jira but receive a lot of requests via email. Automations in email and tasks let you convert incoming emails into Jira issues automatically, no manual work needed. Click Automations. Then, choose New Automation to begin. Name your automation and add filters, for example, Subject Contains, Support Request. Choose the Jira project, issue type, assignee, and decide if you want to include email content or attachments. Set up Gmail forwarding to noreply e2t@sosjet.com. You can do it in Gmail settings. Navigate to forwarding and click Add a forwarding address. Enter the required email address and click Next. Also, in the forwarding section, select Forward a copy of incoming mail to and choose noreply e2t@sosjet.com from the menu. Decide what happens to the Gmail copy of your emails and click Save Changes. Accept the privacy policy and activate the automation. Once you've set up the automation in email and tasks, emails matching your specified filters, such as those with certain subjects, will automatically be converted into Jira issues. By automating the conversion of emails into Jira issues, you can save time and increase efficiency in your workflow.